5 Best Convection Oven. $31,126 Convection Oven. From Hamilton Beach. Hamilton Beach Convection Toaster Oven is designed with new age technology. Thanks to its powerful heating elements that work on 1400 watt power along with the convection fan. It has bake, broil and toast functions. Convection circulates air for faster, even cooking. Removable crumb tray. Comes with 30-minute timer with ready bell and optional stay on setting. Includes bake pan and bake rack with 2 rack positions. The temperature range can be varied from 150 degrees F to 450 degrees F. Digital Countertop Convection Oven. From Oster. Oster Extra Large Digital Toaster Oven works with a wide temperature range that can be adjusted anywhere between 150 to 450 degrees. Its large interior fits 2 take and bake pizzas, a family-sized chicken, or 18 slices of bread. It is built with digital settings for pizza, bake, broil, toast, and defrost. Easy clean interior and 90-minute timer with auto shut-off feature. Includes 2 oven racks, a baking pan, and an integrated broiling rack. BOV 845 BSS Convection Toaster Oven. From Breville E. This Breville E oven comes with 1800 watt of power. It is capable to make 6-slice toaster, 13 pizza. It has 10 preset cooking functions include, toast 6 slices, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza etc. It also has an inbuilt fan that circulates the hot air within the oven. The walls on the inside of the oven feature a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. From Black & Decker. This 1500 watts countertop convection toaster oven may be your first priority if you are going to purchase an oven. It has convection heating fan circulates warm air throughout the oven for fast, even baking. Digital controls easy to use buttons provide precision control over time, temperature. It comes with 120-minute timer with automatic turns off when the timer runs out. It can easily makes 12 pizzas and 6 slices of bread. BOV 800 XL Smart Oven. From Breville E. Breville E Smart Oven can cook all your favorite stuff for you including bread, pizza, bagels, cookies, and roasts as well. It is perfect for 13-inch pizza as well as 6 bread slices. There are so many easy-to-use preset buttons and temperature range can be adjusted anywhere between 120 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven works on 1800 watt power and its multiple cooking functions prove it better than most competitive top-rated small toaster ovens in the market. Tests reveal that it takes minimal preheat time at all temperature settings. You will love the LCD display that offers easy adjustments for time, temperature, and cooking functions.